runs thin, a whisper rises from deep within. Try once more, it softly speaks, in quiet hearts where courage speaks.
So today, as we gather in joy and pride, let's honor the spirit bold yet still. For every triumph begins not with applause, but with sankalp and an iron will, the silent flame that lights the way.
With the timeless tradition of welcoming someone special at home, I, Satakshi, along with my co host Larisha, on behalf of the entire Bal Bharti family, extend our earnest hospitality with a bouquet of blooms for today's distinguished chief guest, Srimati Veena Sirohi ji, an eminent educationist and a lighthouse of transformative learning.
We extend a gracious and heartfelt welcome to respected Srimati Amita Somani ji and Sri Sanjay Somani ji, the legendary patrons of our institute who have together coined the vision of a better tomorrow. They are a living epitome of generosity and tireless dedication, guiding us with vision, grace, and humility.
We are equally honored to welcome our chairman, Sir Shri Bharat Somani ji, a man of dynamic ideas and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Bal Bharti has soared high, growing by leaps and bounds, empowered by his forward thinking vision and steadfast guidance.
Next, we also welcome Mrs. Rita Kapoor and Mr. D.K. Kapoor, our school managers, the cornerstone of our institute's progress.
A warm embrace of welcome to our principal ma'am, the heart and soul of every achievement on this campus, whose constant dedication embodies the true essence of Sankalp. She is the driving pulse of our institute, uplifting every corner with vision, care, and persistent commitment.
With deep respect and heartfelt admiration, we extend a gracious welcome to our esteemed Vice Principal Sir, a pillar of wisdom, discipline, and quiet strength. Your presence today inspires every child.
Dear parents, your trust and encouragement strengthen our collective sankalp to nurture every child's potential, to propel them on the rightest path of life for every endeavor. We also welcome you all.
Last but never least, we welcome our students, the living symbols and the very soul of Sankalp, the spark that lights their way. They are the drivers of the future, the creators of hope, the achievers of success, not by chance, but by Sankalp. Before the formal commencement of today's program, please ensure that your mobile phones are on silent mode. Please do not click any pictures or shoot videos during the show to ensure our participants' privacy and the function's quality. The school has engaged professional photographers to click quality pictures and shoot videos to be made available to all the parents later. A medical assistance corner has been provided at the right side of the pandal. Thank you.
We also welcome all the SMC members. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet.
As we begin our annual day celebration, we seek the blessings of the Almighty and honor the spirit of Sankalp, the resolve that drives learning, growth, and excellence.
We warmly invite our chief guest, Srimati Veena Sirohi ji, Srimati Amita Somani ji, Sri Sanjay Somani ji, Chairman Sir Shri Bharat Somani ji, Mrs. Rita Kapoor, Mr. D.K. Kapoor, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Sir, to kindly come on the stage and light the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing knowledge, determination, and new beginnings. Ma'am, please. Sir, please. We also invite the management members to kindly join.
चलें हम सब उस राह पर जहाँ दीप की लौ हमारे संकल्प को दृढ़ता और ईमानदारी से पोषित करे। यह पावन दीप हमारे संकल्प को दिशा दे और हर पथ को आलोकित करे।
दीप की लौ में समाहित है संस्कारों की गरिमा, शिक्षा की ऊर्जा और एक नवीन यात्रा का शुभ संकेत। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर फॉर दिस ऑनर।
Now, our little stars will remind us that every smile, every step, and every dance brings happiness and enthusiasm. The true essence of SDG 3, good health and well-being. आज हमारे नन्हे मुन्ने कलाकार हमें सिखाएंगे कि सच्चा संकल्प वही है जो मासूम दिल से निकले और कर्म से पूरा हो। So, let's welcome our adorable preschoolers with the warmest smiles and loudest applause.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
We welcome you all to the world of our dreams. I dream to serve my country. I dream to fight for justice. I dream to serve the mankind. I dream to fly high in the sky.
Dreams are beautiful. Yes, dreams come true only when we try. For that, we need determination and courage to say, yes, I can do it. Yes, we can do it. We can. Yes, I can. Say it loud, say it strong. Yes, we can. Yes, I can. All day long. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, when the sun comes up, I start my day. Yes, we can. I shine my light in a special way. Yes, we can. Step by step, I'll reach my goal. Yes, we can. I've got the magic in my soul. Yes, we can. Who can dream? Yes, we can. Who can shine? Yes, I can. Who can grow and see it through? Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Yes. But when I stumble, I rise again. Yes, we can. Every challenge can turn to win. Yes, we can. Hand in hand, together we're strong. Yes, we can. We've got the power to keep moving on. Yes, we can. Who can dream? Yes, we can. Who can shine? Yes, we can. Who can grow and see it through? Yes, we can. Yes, I can. Me and you. Yes, yes, we can. Yes, I can. And so can
What a delightful start to our celebration. Our tiny dreamers showed us that every big achievement begins with a small spark of imagination and courage. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Our next presentation, Neelkant, the power of sacrifice, sets the tone for entire event by invoking divine strength, balance and renewal, which symbolizes destruction, but also it is a symbol of new beginnings when he chooses the welfare of entire universe over his own existence.
निरंतर उमापति महादेव के जंतर दूंगा 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 बस बाजे मृदंग शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा ओम परमेश्वरा परा ओम निखिलेश्वरा हरा ओम शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रलय भयंकर दिगिरारा सर्वं प्रावृत दर्प प्राभव विप्र प्रेरित परा दिक्कूर कर्कूर प्रभावितुम शंकरा
शिव कैलाश शिखर पर साजे साकिट तक धूमकिट तक ध्वनि मृदंग बाजे शीश चंद्र और गंग विराजे उमा रमा सती स्वर सब साजे कर त्रिशूल डमरू ले नाचे टिटिकत गदिगन धा 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 तित्ता तित्ता धा तित्ता धा तित्ता धा जटा जूट मत कंक झलकत शीश चंद्र ललाट पलकत रुंड माल गल शेष धरनि धर पार्वती पति शिव हर 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 पार्वती पति शिव हर 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 पार्वती पति शिव हर 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 धा
A breathtaking presentation. The energy, rhythm, and devotion capture the divine power of Sankalp and new beginnings. Outstanding!
Technology is a tool. We must guide it, not be guided by it.
Our mindful performers of classes 7 and 8 present the digital dilemma, reflecting on SDG 3 and SDG 9, reminding us to use innovation wisely while protecting our mental health.
Let's watch, reflect, and choose balance over distraction.
Presenting the digital dilemma.
God, they spoke volumes. A wonderful reminder to use technology wisely and mindfully. Let's appreciate their expressive and meaningful act. Knowledge is the light that guides us to grow, explore, and dream. Education is not just in books. It's the courage to ask questions, the joy of discovery, and the spirit of lifelong learning. Our bright students of classes 1 and 2 now present quality education, highlighting SDG 4, showing how true learning builds character, compassion, and confidence. आइए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से स्वागत करें इन नन्हे विद्वानों का, जो हमें दिखाएंगे कि शिक्षा ही जीवन की असली रोशनी है।
पहुंचोगे स्कूल के गेट पर तुम, थोड़ा सा भी जो चले, प्यार और नरमी से तुमको पढ़ाएंगे टीचर है ऐसे भले। सच 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 प्रीत अब है यही स्कूल की, कभी टीचर ना बच्चों को मारे।
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे।
पढ़ना भी है और है खेलना भी है, दोनों बातें यहाँ। ध्यान उनका भी पूरा रखा गया है, ये जान ले लड़कियाँ। वो जो पढ़ेंगी, जो आगे बढ़ेंगी, तो बदलेगा हिंदुस्तान। घर 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 शिक्षा जब पहुँचेगी स्कूल की, शक्ति पाएंगे निर्बल भी सारे।
सुनो घंटी बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे।
चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे,
चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे।
That was a heartwarming reminder that education is not just a right, but the light that guides every child's dream. Wonderful performance by our young learners.
Bal Bharti epitomizes the strength, dedication, hard work, and success of not one, but all those who are associated with it.
Certainly, Lipika. Now, we invite the guiding light of our institute, our respected principal ma'am, with the most awaited moment, the school annual report for the session 2025-26.
One does not have to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We begin by offering our deepest reverence to our late founders, Shri C.K. Somani ji and Shrimati Sudha Somani ji. Their far-sighted vision continues to shape our journey and illuminate the values we uphold. On behalf of the management, staff, and the students of Bal Bharti School, I extend a warm welcome to our gracious chief guest, Shrimati Veena Sirohi ji. Ma'am, we are honored by your presence, your willingness to join us despite your demanding commitments adds immeasurable significance to this occasion. With equal regards, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed patrons, Shrimati Amita Somani ji, Shri Sanjay Somani ji. Their unconditional support and guidance continue to empower us to aspire, excel, advance towards high ideals at every step. With gratitude, I acknowledge Mr. Bharat Somani's presence, the chairman of School Managing Committee, whose dedication to the holistic growth of every Bal Bharati student is truly commendable. His vision to raise the global citizen in technologically advanced world has been instrumental in enriching our educational landscape. My heartfelt thanks go to all our esteemed SMC members. Their vision and oversight remain the pillar of which this institution stands. We are equally pleased to welcome our distinguished guests for joining us today. A special word of thanks goes to our parents, whose unwavering faith in our mission and consistent support strengthen our resolve to provide purposeful, holistic, transformative education to every learner at Bal Bharati School. Above all, we bow in gratitude to the Almighty. His ceaseless blessings guide, sustain, and inspire us in every endeavor. Academic excellence forms the foundation of every educational institute. And the CBSE board results of classes 10 and 12 stand a clear evidence to it. It is with great pride that I present the accomplishments of our students. Mehul Soni of class 12 has topped this batch with 97.8%, scoring 99 marks in English and economics. He has joined SRCC, Delhi University, as the BCom honors student for his graduation. 4 students in psychology have scored a perfect score of 100. The girls are Ishika Gupta, Ashi Kaushik, Prakshi, Dishita Dalal. We have many students scoring 99 marks in different subjects, so the line and the queue is long, therefore I would like to cut it short. Now to class 10 results, Hitesh Ehlawat has topped the school with 97.6% marks. He has scored 100 in mathematics and 99 marks in English, science, social science, and Hindi. The following students have bagged a perfect 100 score in different subjects. We have 9 students in artificial intelligence with 100 marks. We have 8 students in mathematics with 100 marks. We have 3 students in social science with 100 marks, and 3 students in science, I apologize, and 1 student for social science. Equally forthcoming in games and sports, national level achievements and state level achievements are raising the Bal Bharati bar every year. We have Lavanya Khator of class 10, who has been bringing pride and laurels to Bal Bharati School year after year since her class 2. She has bagged a number of gold and silver medals. I really do not have time to speak out all, but the number is big to count as gold medals and silver medals at national level and state level. Children have also left their mark in Haryana Games organized by Sports Department of Government of Haryana. Table tennis boys and girls under the category of 14 years, 17 years and 19 years. Both the teams have secured first position at the district level. Bal Bharati students have scored first position at district level, all teams of boys and girls. These children need a big round of applause from all our parents. Your encouragement means a lot to them. Basketball, we participated for the first time. Again, the children have positioned themselves till the state level. Karate, we have Varshita and Dipanshi scoring first position at the district level and Arjun Moore second position. Yashika Verma participated in 10-meter air pistol, secured first position. We have Jatin Suhag securing second position in swimming freestyle. State level, we have also girls and boys participating in karate, basketball, as well as table tennis. CBSE games, which are held at zonal level to begin with, our girls in football have secured the third position at the CBSE zonal level. Co-curriculars, painting competition being organized every year by the All India Glass Manufacturer Federation. You will be happy to know a class 8 student, Rashi Sharma, bagged the first position among 600 students all over India, and she has also won a cash prize of 25,000. Vansh Sharma of class 10 represented Haryana state in the National Science Seminar in Bangalore. He also bagged a cash prize of 25,000 at the state level when he represented Jhajjar district at Haryana state level. Our alumni keep adding feather to our cap. Laksha Goyal and Ishita of last year's batch have joined NIT Kurukshetra for their BTech graduation course. Bhumika has joined PGIMS Rohtak for her MBBS course. Many of our children have found the doorsteps of the renowned colleges of Delhi University, LSR, Ramjas, Hindu College, and SRCC, where people dream to be. I'm happy to share, and I will request all the parents also to acknowledge that in today's program, we have 827 students participating on the stage. 71% of these students are facing this gathering for the first time. The show being presented here, the screen, is also prepared by the Tajagya Club of Bal Bharati students. There is no help from outside. It is pure efforts of our children under the guidance of our teachers. I think children do need a big round of applause. We have again received the Microsoft Showcase School Award for 25-26, keeping our staff and students updated with technology. To sum up with a quote which all of us should pay attention to: the greatest glory lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Thank you. Jai Hind.
With reverence, we thank you, ma'am. Your presence continues to illuminate the corridors of knowledge to nurture each soul with the spirit of righteousness in this campus.
We warmly invite you to a powerful Class 11th dance drama that traces India's journey from war to peace and justice, bringing alive Mangal Pandey, Preeti Lata and Rani Velu Nachiyar.
Rani Velu Nachiyar, born in 1730 in Ramanagaram, was the first queen to wage war against the Britishers, the first one to establish army of trained women, the first one to execute human bomb.
This presentation reflects SDG 16, peace, justice and strong institutions.
Join us as our young performers honor the courage that shaped our just and free nation.
Your presence will mean a lot to our students.
From the dust of change rose the song of freedom. हर युग में कुछ वीर उठे जो अन्याय के आगे कभी नहीं झुके. One such freedom fighter was Rani Velu Nachiyar, the warrior queen whose courage ignited the first flame of rebellion.
Today, Ramanathapuram is blessed with the daughter whose spirit shall rival
the fierce warriors and whose wisdom shall guide kings.
Velu, for the radiance of gold that shine in her eyes, and for the grace of queen destined to rule.
ही राजकुमारी को श्रृंगार से ज्यादा तलवार की चमक पसंद थी। गुड़ियों से खेलने के बजाय घोड़े की लगाम पकड़ना पसंद था। She was trained to protect her kingdom and mastered her skills in martial arts, horse riding and warfare. Velu grew into a strong, independent and phenomenal lady who was then married to the king of Shivagangai. They cared deeply for the people, but peace did not last long and the British East India Company attacked Shivagangai.
Maharaj, Britishers have attacked our kingdom.
Velu, Britishers have entered our motherland. The war is inevitable now.
Maharaj, this war is not just yours, but mine too. If one hero falls, another sword will rise. I will not let the sacred soil of Shivaganga go to bondage.
Promise me, Velu, if I die, you will lead the war.
Maharaj, I promise you, I'll fight till my last breath, and if required, I'll rise up like burning flames.
We will kill these foolish Indians and reign!
Fierce battle, king was killed, but the king's death, instead of weakening Velu's spirit, boosted her morale. And this way, Valiant Queen won the battle.
कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी धीं तारा जतुलतो प्राणमे नाट्यं चेसे गतुलतो नामशतं मूल नतुलतो नापैननी चुकुआ बेरा
Mangal Pandey, the spark that turned silence into revolution. Mangal Pandey's roar ignited the flame of rebellion among all the Indians.
In the year 1857, when the whole of Hindustan was under the rule of British East India Company, many Indian soldiers also served in this company. One day, a strange rumor spread that the new cartridges are made from the fat of cows and pigs. Many Indian soldiers believed that by using these cartridges, the religious sentiments of different soldiers would be heard. Soon, anger spread throughout India against the British government.
I am giving you this final warning. Pick these weapons, or you'll be blown up by the cannon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I, Mangal Pandey, fire!
After the Britishers suspected revolt from the Indian soldiers, they concluded,
Before they kill us, let's kill them.
Bakhte Khan,
What brings you here?
Mangal, I just want to remind you that your intention is correct, but your method is wrong.
No! Every Indian... Britishers!
Be cautious, Mangal. We still have time.
No! Every Indian is looking at us. If we drop our weapons, Inqilab will end before it starts.
Mangal, we will be killed.
Inqilab needs blood, and then blood will be mine! Halla bol! They can only chain my body, but my soul remains unchained and unconquered forever.
कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था.
And I know that after my death, Inqilab will flow in the veins of every Indian. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Then rose Pritilata and Kalpana Datta, flames of Bengal, fierce and free. They taught that the path to freedom lies through sacrifice. Before freedom had a face, it had voices that refused to fade. In a small town of Chittagong, two little girls, Pritilata and Kalpana, dreamt not of palaces but of a free motherland. Even as children, they saw cruelty and asked, when will India be free?
How dare you hit me?
Years passed, the young girls entered their early years of adulthood. Pritilata Vadidar, the Iron Lady of Bengal, chose to die for freedom in 1932. Kalpana Datta stood fearless as one of the last flames of that rebellion.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे.
Under the guidance of Master Das Surya Sen, they found their path, not of fear but of fire.
Be ready to sacrifice for the motherland. This path is difficult, but with dedication, nothing is impossible.
We are ready, Guruji. अगर जीना है तो सिर्फ आजादी के लिए.
Vande
मातरम.
Vande
मातरम.
Vande
मातरम.
The year was 1932. Their target, the Pahartali European Club, where a board read, "Dogs and Indians not allowed." That night, these daughters planned to burn the shameful sign forever. Pritilata drank poison, chose her own end, embracing death before dishonor.
She sacrificed her life for the motherland, and now I, Kalpana, will outlive her dream.
लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा ऐ वतन ऐ माँ जननी तूने दिया है जीवन तूने दिए आराम जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में होठों पे तेरा नाम जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है आए तेरे काम जाग जाग हिंदुस्तान है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जाग जाग हिंदुस्तान है और जाग जाग हिम्मत है रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जागा
Kalpana Datta and countless daughters of India wrote the story of freedom with their blood, their dreams, and their fire.
है पुकारता, है पुकारता।
यह आजाद हिंदुस्तान की वो कहानी है जिसे सुने बगैर, समझे बगैर हम अपने देश को पूरी तरह जान नहीं पाएंगे। आजाद भारत की क्या शक्ल होगी, ये 3 जून 1947 को ही तय हुआ था।
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
A powerful salute to the spirit of bravery and sacrifice.
This performance stirred every heart with pride.
Let's applaud them with pride smiles. Coming up next is an act from classes 3 and 4 who bring to life SDG 5, Gender Equality, reminding us that fairness and cooperation build happy communities full of harmony and mutual respect.
Yes, today's message is powerful. Equal opportunities for girls and boys. हर बच्चे को, चाहे वह लड़का हो या लड़की, समान स्नेह और अवसर मिलना चाहिए।
समानता और सहयोग से ही समाज मजबूत बनता है।
So, let's welcome them with loud cheers and bright smiles.
Presenting Sankalp for Gender Equality.
All will shine, their future bright. Girls will rise and boys too. Dreams belong to me and you. We pledge we will bring the change. Together we'll rise, strong and brave. संकल्प है बदलेंगे हम, साथ चले तो चमकेंगे हम, साथ चले तो चमकेंगे हम, साथ चले तो चमकेंगे हम।
लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग, जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
Yes, I am a girl.
And yes, I am a boy.
Sometimes it's really difficult to accept
that boys too can cry
and that girls too can love cars.
Pink can be the favorite color for both of us, can't it? Chill, Mom. It's just a color.
And you know what? We can both love sports too, no matter how many times we fall.
Boys too can learn to do household work.
And not just girls.
Sometimes even accepting that we share the same dreams is difficult.
Dreams of flying high in the sky
or dancing gracefully on the ground.
Dreams of becoming a superhero
or simply living life in my style.
A dream is a dream, isn't it? We can win against each other
and we can lose to each other.
But Mom, Dad,
we are not here to win or lose.
We are here to live as an equal generation.
So when you make the list next time,
keep the same rules
for both of us.
And raise us
not the way you were raised,
but
the way we were born. Equal.
Thought-provoking.
Our students beautifully conveyed that equality and respect are the roots of a strong and happy society.
Let's applaud their powerful message.
Strength of body and calmness of mind. That's the perfect balance we all strive for.
Our next performance is a graceful depiction of yoga, the art of finding harmony through inner sankalp. Let your claps rise like waves of gratitude.
दिव्यहर्म्यवासिने सुवर्णवाहनप्रियाय सूर्यकोटितेजसे सुवर्णपद्मिनी तटान्तदिव्यहर्म्यवासिने सुवर्णवाहनप्रियाय सूर्यकोटितेजसे अवर्णया विहारिणे वनाधरेन्द्रधारिणे
शम्भवे शरन्निशाकर प्रकाश मन्दहास मञ्जुल धर प्रवाळ भासमान भद्रमण्डल श्रिये करस्फुरङ्गपाल मुक्तरक्त विष्णुपालिने सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शम्भवे सदा शिवाय शम्भवे सहस्रपुण्डरीक पूजनैक शून्य दर्शन सहस्रनेत्र कल्पितार्चनाच्युताय भक्तिद सहस्रभानुमण्डल प्रकाश चक्ररायिने सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शम्भवे रसादथाय रम्यपत्रपुत्रताङ्गपाणये रसाधरेत्र चापशिञ्जिनीकृतानि राशिने श्वसारथी कृता जन्म वेदरूपवाजिने सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शम्भवे सदा शिवाय शम्भवे सदा शिवाय शम्भवे अतिप्रगल्भ वीरभद्र सिंहनाद गर्जित श्रुति प्रभीत दक्षयाग भोगिनाक सत्वरा गतिप्रदाय गर्जिताखिल प्रपञ्च साक्षिणे सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शम्भवे सदा शिवाय शम्भवे मृगण्डुसूनु रक्षणावधूत दण्डपाणये सुगन्धमण्डल स्फुरत् प्रभाजितामृतां शवे अखण्ड भोग सम्पदात लोकभावितात्मने सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शम्भवे मधुरिपुरिति शक्रमुख्य देवैरपि नियमार्जित पादपङ्कजाय गिरिशरासनाय तुभ्यं रजत सभापतये नमः शिवाय हालास्यनाथाय महेश्वराय हालाहलालङ्कृत गन्धराय वीरेक्षणाय पतये शिवाय नमो नमः सुन्दर ताण्डवाय
That was truly calming and graceful. This performance showed us how yoga brings balance, focus, and peace to both mind and body. A huge round of applause for the performers.
The day will end, the moon will shine, the clouds will rain, but surely the memories created and captured today will never twist and bend. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished faculty members and fellow students, now we call upon stage the school head girl Niyati Jain to introduce today's chief guest Srimati Veena Sirohi ji to address us all.
Revered Chief Guest Srimati Veena Sirohi ji, distinguished guests, esteemed members of the management, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and dear students. A very warm and pleasant morning to each one of you. Today is not just a celebration of achievements, it is a tribute to the collective spirit of Bal Bharti and its unwavering sankalp. Ma'am, your gracious presence has already elevated the spirit of our annual function, adding warmth and wisdom. It is my proud privilege to extend a reverential welcome to our chief guest, a towering figure in the realm of education, whose legacy continues to inspire generations. A double postgraduate in English literature and education, her distinguished career spanning over 45 years has been marked by visionary leadership, innovation, and a deep commitment to holistic education. She has served with distinction as principal. Her tenure as Director of Educational Resources Center further amplified her impact. Her voice has also resonated across radio stations and television panels. Stage productions have empowered countless educators, students, and parents alike. Currently, she holds key positions on the school managing committees of several prestigious institutions, including Delhi Public School and Cambridge Schools. Her contribution to girls' education, particularly as an advisor to Hoshari Devi Girls Inter-College, Pagpat, reflect her enduring commitment to equity and empowerment. Beyond the academic sphere, Ma'am lends her wisdom to the ethics committees of ICMR, National Institute of Cancer Prevention and Research, and the Kailash Group of Hospitals, ensuring that ethical integrity remains at the heart of research and healthcare. Her presence today is both an honor and a blessing. With utmost respect and admiration, now I would urge Principal Ma'am to guide and accompany her up to the dais for her insightful pearls of wisdom for all of us. Ma'am, please.
Namaskar. Honorable Mrs. Amita Somani and Mr. Sanjay Somani, the patrons of this wonderful Bal Bharti school, the chairman, Mr. Bharat Somani, the manager, Mr. D.K. Kapoor, members of the managing committee, the faculty members who are present here today, parents, and also my dear students. I'm totally overwhelmed by your performances today. आप कहते हैं आप संकल्प ले रहे हैं सक्सेस के लिए, मगर आपके संकल्प तो ऑलरेडी पूरे हो रहे हैं. The number of children who have done so well in academics or in curricular activities or in sports, or the lovely performances you saw here today have been absolutely mesmerizing and of a very, very high standard. Across the board, I say that these are outstanding performances judged by any judgmental critique that I may say. I wish to pay homage to the founders of this wonderful school, who in 1968, Mrs. Sudha Somani and Mr. C.K. Somani lit a little spark, which is today such a bright beacon of light, shedding the light of knowledge all around. This is indeed an epitome of success, of how a small venture becomes such a massive, worthwhile endeavor for humanity as a whole, and this region particularly. They say that success, it cannot be measured only by the medals and the trophies and the accolades won by the children. Success begins with your own spirit. It's self-belief. Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. And if you think positive, you will be able to do many things. There is a self-fulfilling prophecy which psychologists believe. They believe that if you wish to do something, you will be able to do it. If you want to do something, you can. And if you feel that you can't do it, then you won't do it. But success cannot be measured only by accomplishment and achievements throughout your school or college life. Success has a much more longer dimension. A fulfilling life, a happy life, a satisfying life, a life which you live with a sense of fulfillment. Now, how do you achieve that kind of success? How do you achieve that kind of life on a much larger dimension? So, basic factors which contribute towards success in life are basically discipline. We all know it. There's a time to get up, there's a time to sleep, there's a time to study. पढ़ने का टाइम होना चाहिए. उस वक्त होमवर्क मिले चाहे ना मिले, आपने फिर भी पढ़ना चाहिए. You must prepare your lessons for the next day or revise whatever has been taught earlier. Then tenacity, not to give up. You should remember Robert Bruce and the spider. And also people like Thomas Alva Edison, who failed about over 90 times before he actually achieved what his aim or goal was. So tenacity is something we've got to build up, that resilience to face things as they come. And of course, the most important thing in all this is hard work. I'd like to quote Alex Ferguson. He was the manager of a very famous football team called Manchester United. Many of you must have heard of it. They achieved great heights. They became a football club to contend with. And Alex Ferguson used to say that hard work will always overtake natural talent if natural talent does not work hard enough. That means no matter how talented you may be, how gifted you may have been born, unless you work hard, you're not going to achieve that success. So therefore, you need to work hard to achieve whatever you want. एक स्थिर बुद्धि होनी चाहिए, एक संकल्प होना चाहिए, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं. And then, what are the markers, what are the steps we need to take to achieve these goals that we have set before us? It's very nice to dream. सपने ज़रूर देखने चाहिए. हम सोचते हैं हम ये बन जाएंगे, हम वो बन जाएंगे, हम ये कर लेंगे, वो कर लेंगे. ये सपने हैं. मगर सपने ज़रूर पूरे हो सकते हैं अगर आप में दृढ़ता है, संकल्प है या करने की शक्ति है. अदरवाइज वो मुंगेरी लाल के सपने ही बन के रह जाएंगे. सुबह आँख खुलेगी, सपने भूल गए. So what are those markers? What is the pathway to achieving that kind of success? I believe in 4 dimensions. The first dimension is the physical dimension. The children have just shown you that you need a sound mind and a sound body. You need to be healthy. आपकी सेहत अच्छी रहेगी तो आप सब कुछ कर पाएंगे. अगर सेहत ही अच्छी नहीं रही तो फिर क्या कर लेंगे आप? और जो भी कुछ करा होगा, धरोहर होगी आपकी, वो भी आप enjoy नहीं कर पाएंगे unless you have the health or the strength to enjoy all those things. So you need a good diet. I'll request parents to be very careful about their children's diet. Children love ordering from outside these days. Fast food, junk food, that is getting priority. And the best kind of food is what we make at home. जो हमारी दादी नानी बनाती थी घरों में और जिस तरह से वो बनाती थी, that is the best, most nutritious food to have. Seasonal vegetables, seasonal fruits. That is what we should encourage our children to eat. Even though I know they love pizzas and burgers, but then that needs to be sort of curtailed somewhat. Then the next thing you need is exercise. You need to exercise, you need to be fit, you need to be healthy. I remember जब हम लोग बच्चे थे, my father was in the army, and we were 6 brothers and sisters. रोज शाम को हमारे घर में पिट्ठू खेला जाता था, 7 tiles. और कौन खेलता था? Father, mother और हम 6 बच्चे. So that developed in us a love for physical exercise every day of our lives. And Mother Teresa used to say that families that pray together stay together. I feel that families that play together also stay together. In fact, even more. So learn to join your children at playtime. Take your children out to play. Sports is a big, big avenue for their growth today. And not only that, it's an avenue for success. So therefore, be careful that your children are exercising sufficiently. आजकल वो जो screens है ना, वो time लेके खा जाते हैं. 24 घंटे वो screen के आगे बैठे रहते हैं. But do encourage them to play. Then the next thing is children don't sleep enough. You have to be sure that your children sleep. I've often seen in schools children, especially senior children, coming to school groggy-eyed, पूरे रात अपना मोबाइल खोल के बैठे रहते हैं. बच्चों को social media becomes like addiction. And I don't know how many of you have seen a Netflix series called Adolescence. It won the Oscar Prize, and it is an eye-opener that what goes on in a child's mind, a 13-year-old boy who's being bullied in his own way. But that is, I'm digressing. I'm just telling you that if you have Netflix, do watch Adolescence. It's a kind of a warning call for all of us. And then do give them leisure time also. They need to rest. They need to enjoy life, so to say. The next dimension I'd like to talk about is the cognitive dimension. Things are changing so fast today. जो आज नया है वो कल पुराना हो जाता है. And the only constant left in life today is change. जिस तरह से हम पढ़ते थे या पढ़ाते थे, that has changed. The pandemic showed us that this online teaching, online learning, Zoom meetings became a way of life. So if you are not able to change with the time, you will be left behind. And what children are studying today in school, हो सकता है जब तक वो school से pass out हो, it may be redundant. It may not be of any use. So I would request parents and teachers also to develop some skills in their children. The first skill they must develop is critical thinking, questioning. हर एक चीज़ जो आपको बताई जाती है उसको question करो, सोचो. Is it true or not true? Because even in science, every quest in science begins with a hypothesis, a question. And also, critical thinking leads to analytical thinking. You get data, but you have to analyze it. Problem solving. These are all traits of critical thinking. So please do encourage your children to question you. आपसे भी सवाल पूछें, बहुत अच्छी बात है. पर मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आप प्लीज़ उनको लॉजिकल जवाब ज़रूर दीजिए. Because don't fob off children with an answer which is not really logical. मैंने कहा तो करना है. वो बात ज़माना गया. हम लोग जो माँ बाप कहते थे वो करते थे. परंतु आज के बच्चे आपसे पूछेंगे क्यों, किस लिए, आप क्यों कह रहे हैं ये बात. So give them logical answers. Then the next thing you still have to develop in your children are communication skills. They need to communicate, whether it is oral communication, verbal communication, communication in writing, or even digital communication. How to send emails, how to receive emails, how to consume content. Are they consuming too much content which is injurious for them? So you've got to be careful, and parents, I feel, you must keep your communication lines open with your children. जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, जूनियर क्लासेस में होते हैं, वो भाग के घर स्कूल से आते हैं, मम्मी आज स्कूल में ये हुआ, आज स्कूल में ये हुआ, हमारी टीचर ने ये बोला, हमारे सर ने ये कहा. और कई दफ़ा आप ये कहते हैं, अरे तंग मत करो मुझे काम करना है, या आप टीवी देख रहे हो या कुछ कर रहे हो, तो आप बच्चे को चुप करा देते हो. So in that very sort of small gesture, you are closing the communication lines between you and your children. Please do communicate with your children, because if the communication lines are open, they will tell you their problems, their joys, their this thing. और जैसे थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, जब 14-15 साल के हो जाते हैं, वही माँ बाप हमसे स्कूल में आके कहते हैं हमारे बच्चे तो हमसे हमारी सुनते ही नहीं, हमारे बच्चे तो हमें कुछ हमारे से बात ही नहीं करते. Because somewhere along the line, we at home have closed those communication lines. So please see that you do communicate, give them little responsibilities, ask them to help you in school, because responsibility leads to traits of leadership. They are being prepared to take decisions on their own. So communication is one more thing. Then I would like to elaborate on collaborative thinking, team building. They have to work to learn together. Interpersonal relations. How are you getting along with your friends, your colleagues, your teachers, the environment around you? And then, very important is creativity. Everything that you see around you, ये जो आप phone हाथ में ले रहे हैं, it has been, and it has brought so many things into one small gadget. इतनी creativity है, आपके जो encyclopedias redundant हो गए, वो Wikipedia आ गया, अब Grokpedia आने वाला है. Your cameras have become redundant, your music systems have become redundant. So many things which we took for granted are now gone. आपकी banking systems have changed, finances have changed, everything there in that little thing you hold in your hand, and that is creativity. Somebody is thinking out of the box, and this is going to continue. Hence, we have to encourage children to be curious, to ask questions. And once the cognitive aspect is looked after, then we also have to see the emotional quotient of the children. जिंदगी हमेशा खुशहाल नहीं रहती, किसी की भी नहीं, चाहे आप राजा हों या रंग. ups and downs will be there, the storm and stress and strain of life you will have to face, the trials and tribulations you have to face. जो goals आपने अपने लिए सोचे थे वो आप achieve नहीं कर पाए, you have to be resilient enough to be able to change your goals. And then for that emotional security, आप कहाँ जाएंगे? I think the best anchor is the family. We have to see that our children are rooted with the family. And very important in life are relationships. We have to see that we maintain those relationships, चाहे वो father, mother और बच्चों के साथ हो, या siblings के साथ हो, या हमारे grandparents के साथ हो. Those relationships must be maintained because that is the emotional support that children need. आप पेपर में पढ़ेंगे, आज के पेपर में हम पढ़ रहे थे कि 2 BLOs, the ones who have given work SIR करने के लिए केरला में, 2 of them committed suicide. Why? Because they found the pressure of their work too much. So somewhere along the line that emotional quotient has been reduced. We don't know where to look for sustenance. We don't know where to look for. So please build up your relationships. And second thing I'd like to tell children is friendships. You must maintain not those 2,000 friends you have on social media. They're not true friends. All those likes you get are not reality. That is a different dimension altogether. You need to maintain friendships that you build in school or in college because those are the lasting friendships. अगर आप 15 साल 20 साल बाद हम अपने स्कूल वालों से मिलते हैं कभी तो ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि समय गुजर गया. ऐसा लगता है कि जहाँ हम लास्ट मिले थे अभी वहीं से भी pick up our strings of communication. So please be responsible for your children's emotional quotient. They need it. IIT के बच्चे suicide commit कर रहे हैं. Children who are aspiring to become something even before they can achieve the goal or partially have achieved their goals, they give up. So somewhere along the line that emotional quotient must be maintained. And the last dimension I feel in life which is very important is the spiritual quotient. किसी चीज़ में तो आपकी आस्था होनी चाहिए. You have to have belief, faith in something. There is something which is above all that we see around us. There is some maker somewhere. आप उसको कुछ भी नाम दीजिए, आप मंदिर जाइए या ना जाइए. Spirituality should be a part of your DNA, part of your makeup. You've got to believe that there is somebody there taking care of you, somebody whose faith you have to sustain. And that spirituality will see you through all the harrowing experiences of life. और उस spirituality को maintain करने के लिए एक स्थिरता चाहिए, जो गीता में भी कहा गया है, एक स्थिर बुद्धि चाहिए. So हमारे दिमाग में our thoughts, every day there are 70,000 thoughts going through our mind. Most of them are negative. Most of them are scary. So you've got to have some spirituality in you. Meditation is a very good way of उन negative thoughts को काबू में करना. कुछ स्थिरता लाना अपनी ज़िंदगी में. So please see that you have belief in something. There is a famous writer, historian, Yuval Noah Harari. He's written some outstanding books, Sapiens, Homo Deus, 21 Lessons for the 21st Century. He's teaching at the Jewish University in Israel. He does 2 hours of meditation under Vipassana, जो उन्होंने इंडिया में आके सीखा, वो रोज़ 2 घंटे करते हैं. And that is also the seat of creativity. जब आपका mind स्थिर होता है, then only creativity. हमारे जो मुनि ऋषि और सब होते थे वो कहाँ जाते थे? पहाड़ों में, दूर दराज जगहों में. And that is where they would compose their famous works of the Upanishads and the Vedas and the Gitas. So therefore, you need that spiritual element in your life, which is very, very important. So I wish to congratulate all the proud parents sitting here, the management committee members, the patrons of the school, the chairman of the school managing committee, the principal, the teachers, for these wonderful performances put up there by the children. They actually epitomized everything that I was trying to tell you. वो तो खुद ही बोल रहे थे कि we will do it, we can do it. And you saw the lovely physical performances of the children who performed yoga. So therefore, like Gandhiji said that what you will do in the future begins today. आज के संकल्प से आपका कल actualize होएगा. So children, I wish you all the very best. Parents, congratulations for putting your children in such a wonderful school. And the school people, all management committee members, the patrons, I congratulate you on a wonderful performance. And may you keep achieving greater and greater heights. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. From the hands of a young artist to the heart of a visionary, we now present a profound creation by Bhavya Dral of class 10th A to our esteemed chief guest as a symbol of youthful expression and Bal Bharti's enduring pride.
पेड़ है तो जीवन है, हरियाली में ही संसार की मुस्कान है। आओ मिलकर यह वचन लें, प्रकृति की रक्षा ही हमारी पहचान है। The earth was once green and pure, and now it pleads for our care. Every leaf whispers, "Save me." Presenting our young eco-warriors of classes 5 and 6 with Let the Earth Bloom Again, inspired by SDG 13, Climate Action. Their performance reminds us protecting nature is our gratitude to Mother Earth. आइए तालियों से स्वागत करें Let the Earth Bloom Again.
Now we humans can finally live peacefully on this earth because we have grand buildings, huge factories, shiny malls, and such a beautiful infrastructure.
जो लहू मेरा बहता चला, देखो जुनून मेरा कहता
am a tree, I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
Now we all will take a pledge to protect our planet and keep our edge. I pledge to save every tree, for they give life to you and me. I will plant more and never destroy, to make the earth green and full of joy. Let's take a pledge hand in hand, to make the earth a better land, a place to live and always cherish. Before we leave it, let it never perish.
It's a truly captivating performance. Their graceful act inspired all of us to cherish nature. Let's celebrate these young environmentalists with loud claps.
To keep the flow going on, next we have a self-composed song titled as Sankalp Hai Hamara, which reminds us who we are: learners, dreamers, and achievers. Overall, a graceful performance filled with devotion and poise.
हमने ठाना है अब चलना,
रुकना नहीं, झुकना नहीं,
हर मुश्किल से लड़ जाना,
जीवन में थमना नहीं,
जीवन में थमना नहीं. So please welcome the choir group with a huge round of applause and feel proud of our common sankalp to do our best both in the classroom and on the stage.
Sa
that was melodious and full of spirit, a perfect blend of rhythm and resolve, echoing the essence of Sankalp.
We now take you to an incredible land where bravery lives in every heart, traditions breathe in every corner, and the rural charm brings life to every beat.
Yes, it's time to celebrate the soul of Haryana, not just a state, but an emotion that keeps our heritage alive.
Our vibrant Class 9 students present Mara Hara Bhara Haryana, capturing the spirit of SDG 11 and SDG 15, preserving our culture and sustaining life on land.
This lively folk dance represents our Sankalp, a pledge to protect and promote our traditions.
So get ready to experience the rhythm, energy and soul of Haryana, straight from our hearts to yours.
मारे सब ते ज्यादा बोलिया जासे राम देखियो ओ दूध दही का खाना मारे काम देखियो रे 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 खेल खिलाड़ी कुश्ती दंगल किसान देखियो अरे जिनते मिलके बना हरियाणा मारे गाम देखियो मारे राम देखियो रे मारे गाम देखियो हरियाणे का पैरलूड़ी बाणा से हर की धरती हरियाणे का पैरलूड़ी बाणा से मेहनत कश है लोग अड़े के दूतई का खाना से मेहनत कश है लोग अड़े के दूतई का खाना से लेके चल हाड़ी अरे रे 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 लेके चल हाड़ी जाके खेत कमाना माटी हो माटी का सोना बनाना है माटी गैला माटी हो माटी का सोना बनाना है हरियाणे का किसान खेत में दिन और रात कमावे से हरियाणे का किसान खेत में दिन और रात कमावे से पेट भरे यो दुनिया का न्यू अन्नदाता कहलावे से पेट भरे यो दुनिया का न्यू अन्नदाता कहलावे से मेहनत माटी जोश जुनू का सिर पे खंडवा जोर पड़े से दामन की धोती कुर्ता सिर पे खंडवा जोर पड़े से दामन की जाके फागण होई दिवाली गढ़ निराली सामन की
कुरुक्षेत्र सी पावन धरती ओ कुरुक्षेत्र सी पावन धरती जिसका ज्ञान सुनाना दुनिया में सबसे न्यारा हमारा हरा भरा हरियाणा 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 दुनिया में सबसे न्यारा हमारा हरा भरा हरियाणा
We are sure that you enjoy the rich tradition, rhythm, and pride of Haryana. Let's applaud the incredible performance that celebrated our vibrant culture.
Now, to conclude today's beautiful program with a vote of thanks, appreciation, and gratitude to all those who made this event a grand success, let me invite the school head boy, Nirbhay Garg.
A day of joy, movement divine, hearts and hopes in rhythms align, that shines that soar, we embrace Sankalp strong and true. As this wonderful morning comes to a pause, we pause not to say goodbye, but to say thank you. Today has been a celebration of effort, expression and determination that turned every plan into reality and into a memorable performance. We extend our deepest gratitude to our distinguished guests for their inspiring presence and words that filled this hall with motivation. And a heartfelt thank you to our management team and principal, whose constant guidance and vision derive every success of this institution. To our teachers and staff, thank you for your tireless efforts, planning, rehearsing, and shaping every detail to perfection. To our parents, for your faith and unwavering support. You are true partners in our journey of growth. And to our students, the true core of this celebration, your enthusiasm and teamwork brought every performance to life. Today, we also honor our Karamcharis, the silent strength behind every clean corridor. Your resolve may not echo in applause, but resounds in every morning that begins with dignity. Finally, sincere thanks to our managing committee, sound and light team, and every helping hand who made this day possible. Let the spirit of gratitude stay alive, for where there is appreciation, there is inspiration, and where there is sankalp, there is always success. Thank you and have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Nirbhay, for your appreciative and truthful words.
Exploring the words of the school song remind us why we are in school. With heart and soul, that is to say, in everything we do with our entire being, we have a goal, a vision that transcends our daily lives. To do our best in work and play. We give our all, we do and are the best we can.
A nation rises not on wealth or power, but on the sankalp of its people. I would like to call school choir for school song and national anthem. All of you are requested to stand for the same.
This little guiding light of mine,
you. Please be seated. We request our principal ma'am and vice principal sir to kindly escort the chief guest and other dignitaries to the conference room for refreshments. Ma'am, please.